Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today, I am standing in front of one of Boston Whaler's 13 Super Sports, and I'm going to show you some of the key features that make this boat stand out. On this specific boat, we have a tall bow rail up in the front, giving you the comfortability when there's people sitting up on the bow so that they have somewhere to grab on. But that's not the only thing that this bow rail has to offer. With it being a 13-foot boat on a swing trailer over here, when you're throwing this boat in and out of the garage, it makes it very easy to pull this boat around. Something to note with Boston Whaler, with it being such a high quality build, is you'll see that most of our competitors have these bow rails being really obsolete and very not sturdy. But in this Boston Whaler, they're very rugged and made to be a lifetime boat. Once you take a look inside the boat, you'll notice that we don't really have any wires running on the inside of the hull. Everything is bolted onto the outside, making it very easy to maintain. A self-bailing cockpit. You've got a 40 Mercury, a nice and easy telescoping stainless steel ladder. You've got a very large bimini and a simplistic dash. My name is Jack Neely down here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. If you have any questions about the boat, feel free to stop by.